Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs taste good. The journey to delicious eggs begins with quality ingredients. Always choose fresh eggs, as they offer superior flavor and texture. Simple seasoning is key. A pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper can transform your dish. Don't forget to use a small amount of butter or a neutral oil in your pan to prevent sticking and add richness. This foundational step ensures a great base for any egg preparation. Mastering cooking techniques is crucial for tasty eggs. For scrambled eggs, cook them gently over medium-low heat, stirring frequently to achieve a wonderfully creamy texture. If you prefer fried eggs, cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side for a perfectly runny yolk. Poaching eggs involves simmering them in water with a splash of vinegar for 3 to 4 minutes, resulting in a delicate, soft egg. Each method brings out unique qualities. Elevate your eggs with delicious add-ins and toppings. Incorporating cheese like sharp cheddar or tangy feta adds a wonderful savory depth. Fresh herbs such as chives, parsley, or dill can brighten the flavor profile significantly. For an extra kick, consider topping your eggs with a favorite hot sauce, a spoonful of fresh salsa, or creamy sliced avocado. These additions allow for endless customization and flavor combinations. For even more delicious eggs, try these advanced tips. Whisking in just 1 tablespoon of milk or cream before scrambling can make your eggs incredibly fluffy and rich. Another fantastic trick is to cook your eggs in leftover bacon grease. It imparts an intensely savory flavor that's hard to beat. And speaking of good habits, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.